Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to find four-figure grid reference. Let's take this grid as an example in topographical maps. These are the eastings 61, 62, 63, 64. These are the eastings. Eastings are the vertical lines present in the topographical maps. Eastings. And northings, these are northings. 16, 15, 14, 13, these are northings. These are northings in the grid and these are eastings. While writing a four-figure grid reference, we write eastings first and then northings. So let us take an example of finding four-figure grid reference of A. Four-figure grid reference of A. The easting is 62, 62, 63 and the northing is 15 and 14. So we take the smaller number 14 and 62. These are the smaller digit, so we will take these. We will write easting first, easting and northing. So we will write easting first. So easting is 62 and then we will write northing, that is 14. So the four-figure grid difference is 6214. Now let us talk about the four-figure grid difference of B. In B, it is present between northing 16 and 15 and easting 61 and 62. 61 is smaller and 15 is smaller. So we will write easting 61 earlier and northing 15 laterwards. So the four-figure grid difference is 6115. 6115. Okay. Let's find the four-figure grid difference of settlement Nagini. The settlement Nagini is here. You can see the name is written here. It is between the eastings 12 and 13 and the northings 25 and 24. 24 is a smaller northing and 12 is a smaller easting. So we'll take the smaller ones 12 and 24. You know we write the easting first. So we will write first the 12 and then the northing, that is 24. So the four-figure grid reference will be written as 1224. So now let's move to the second one, village Basia. We have to tell the four-figure grid difference of village Basia. Let us go to the finding the four-figure grid difference of village Basia. Here is village Basia. You can see. So it is between the northings 16 and 15 or eastings 13 and 12. 12 is smaller easting and 15 is smaller northing. You can see 12 is smaller and 15 is also smaller. So we will take 12 as the easting and 15 as the northing because 15 is smaller. So the four-figure grid reference of village Basia will be 1215. Now let's move to the third one, open scrub in the north of Jolpur. Now Jolpur is here is Jolpur. When we go towards north of the Jolpur, the open scrub is here. It is between the northings 21 and 22 and the eastings 8 and 7. You can see the smaller easting is 7, the smaller northing is 21. So we will write first the smaller easting and then the smaller northing. So we will write as smaller easting is 7. So we will write 7 first, 0 7, and then the smaller northing, that is 21. 21 is the smaller northing, so we will write then 21. So the 4-figure grid reference of open scrub is 0721. Now let's go to the fourth one, that is Rampura. You have to find and tell the 4-figure grid reference of Rampura settlement. The Rampura settlement is here, you can see well. It is between northing 17 and 18 and easting 6 and 7. So we can easily find out and write the 4-figure grid difference. 17 is smaller northing and 6 is smaller easting. So we will write first the smaller easting 0 6, then the smaller northing, that is 17 1 7. So the 4-figure grid reference of village Rampura is 0617. So thank you friends. I think your doubt and confusion will be solved. Thank you.